Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. Artfully crafted inside and out, this XTS immerses you in the experience of luxury. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com adds the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.